In the name of Jesus, audio record. Hello, everybody. I sound like a robot, probably. And let's go over quickly what our work is today. So if you're absent in Algebra 3, or if you're present in Algebra 3 today, this is for you. Goodbye, Captain Milton. I'll see you later today, probably. Basically, we're still going to have our test Monday, whether you're online or in person. If it's online, it'll be through Google Forms, and it'll be a similar test to those who have it in person. I may make it a little harder because you'll have access to your equations. By a little harder, I mean medium harder. So be in person if you can, because if it's home, it has to be open note. However, basically we covered everything we needed to cover yesterday in class, so this is review. At some point in this video, I'm going to give you a random secret message that you need to text me, and when you text me, I will know that that means that you watched this video. So, let's talk about our circles. So, first circle, top left. If you're looking for an angle, and you have the two pieces, okay, on either side, this is the railroad solve, like Reed said. We are looking for angle x. And to find it for this one, we're almost always going to take a half. And for this one, we add the two pieces, a plus b. Now, there are two others that are just like this. First one is ice cream cone version 1. And Google what a kiwi bird looks like. This actually looks just like a kiwi head for some reason to me. Where angle x is actually going to equal half of the big minus the small. Do you remember that? Big minus small. So basically the same equation. And then also for this ice cream cone it's the same. Angle x equals half of the big minus the small. So yeehaw there. Now there's a couple other ones that are also similar. First off, we have our tangent line equation, where if we're looking for this angle right here, and we're given this arc right here, we can say that the angle x is half of that arc. Similarly, if we have this sort of triangle inside, this sort of conish shape, then this angle would be half of this arc. So angle x equals half of a. That also works. So we just basically covered 5 out of 6 equations, and they're all looking the same. The only one that's different is this one, where we would look at each chord, and the two letters that are relevant to each chord would be multiplied instead of equal to the other two. So for this one, C and D in black would be multiplied, equal to A and B in red, which are also multiplied. And we can use that to solve for any of our equations, or solve for any of our sides. Next, the only other type of equation, I'm going to erase this, is when we have a sort of pie and we have to break it in pieces. So for this, we have 88, 60, 70, 52, and spoilers, x. So we have to solve for what this x was supposed to be. How do we do it? Well, the whole circle put together is 360 degrees, which means that to find the missing piece, we add everything else up, subtract it from 360, and whatever's left over is our side. So for this problem, we would do 88 plus 60 plus 70 plus 52. 8 plus 2 is 10. 8 plus 1 plus 6 plus 7 plus 5 is 27. If that's wrong, let me know. I think it's right. So we have 270 degrees, and to find out how much is this missing x piece, we subtract that from 360. And if my calculations are correct, that would leave us with 90 degrees. Cool. So if this is 90 degrees, if I asked you for the total shaded area, I'm not done yet. Because I would have to add this 90 degrees x to this 60 degrees that's also shaded, which would mean 90 plus 60 would give me 150 degrees. Last step possible, if I ask you for what percent of the circle is shaded, then I have 150 degrees out of the total 360. So I just divide. And I have not done this calculation yet, but my estimation is that it's going to be between 39 and 41%. Let me know if that's right. If you are a female in this class, I would like you to text me the word baloney. That's your keyword, baloney. 360 degrees, 150 out of the 360 degrees, I think it's 39 to 41%. That sounds about right to my brain. Anyway, maybe it's 42. I'm going with 42, final answer. Anyway, that's literally everything we cover on the study guide. which was our 6 kinds of problems. Same 6 kind of problems, but with numbers plugged in. Percent shaded, and finding shaded angles. There is more to cover on circles and angles. However, I don't really want to keep lumping in work on work on work on work on work, because then the test is going to be ridiculously complicated and you're going to start getting stuff mixed up. So anyway, make sure to study this weekend for this. Ask any questions if you need. If you're a male in the class, text me the word "I need an umbrella." I hope you guys have a wonderful Friday. Please stay safe. Don't be too silly. We did get permission to go get coffee. Maybe not now, but we'll have to reschedule for a better day after all this COVID stuff passes. So I hope you guys have a good one. Goodbye.